Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing something important. Meanwhile, are you struggling to find a reliable trading strategy? Imagine having a tool that lets you create your own custom buy-sell signals. Well, in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to use the all-in-one buy-sell signals indicator. And this indicator that I am referring to is the DIY Custom Strategy Builder. All right. So this is the indicator that we are going to be looking at in this video. Okay. So if you want to learn game-changing trading strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Okay. Now let us just quickly dive right in. This TradingView indicator is designed to generate high quality buy and sell signals. All right. And the indicator allows full customization of trading parameters. If you go to the indicator settings, you can see that there are several parameters here, different parameters. It's quite a wide and robust indicator. As you can see, it's as if it's a combination of many indicators. You can see ATR, you can see EMA, you can see bands, you can see the span, baseline, leading span B, Senkaku span B, Kijun Tenkan, as if it combines Ichimoku. You can see ATR, you can see okay, this is not that. Okay, you can see EMA, supply and demand zone, Ichimoku cloud, Heiken and Shi, Fibonacci, range detector, super trend, and so on and so forth. Now, this indicator adapts to different market conditions. Okay, you can customize the indicator. You can select what you want to be visible and what not, right? You can see the boxes you want to check. You can go ahead and check those boxes, see the style and all of that, visibility and that. You can actually modify the settings according to your taste. Meanwhile, both trending and ranging markets are suitable to use this indicator in. With this tool, traders can build a personalized trading strategy based on their own risk tolerance and style. Once you come to these settings, once you come to these inputs, you just select the parameters that you want. All right, select the parameter. In fact, build your own system with all these many options that are here. Just take your time and build what you want according to what is available. Okay, so to get started, of course, you have to open your TradingView platform and you add the indicator, right? The DIY custom strategy builder. You add it to your chart, and then after doing that, you can adjust the signal sensitivity to filter out noise. Basically adjust the settings, right? Adjust the settings, customize the settings, the parameters, the conditions to match your strategy. Test the settings on different time frames for best accuracy. Okay, this setup allows traders to fine-tune their strategy and avoid unnecessary market noise. Okay, so for the best results, you can consider using higher time frames for stronger confirmation. Okay, whatever strategy you decide to use with this indicator, with this unique indicator, just try as much as possible to always reference higher time frames for stronger confirmations, and then don't forget to combine with support and resistance zones. It's very important. Support and resistance zones play key roles. They play key roles in technical analysis. They are very, very important zones which you should not neglect for any reason. Okay, And then you can also decide to add other conventional indicators, traditional indicators like moving averages or maybe volume indicators for extra confirmation. And a great way to improve accuracy is also to use maybe indicators like RSI or MACD just to confirm momentum. All right. Now, trend filters are also, indicators that you might want to consider using as well to ensure that signals align with the overall trend. So now, to reduce false entries, you can follow these steps. Avoid signals in choppy markets. Okay, I'm just giving general, uh, directions that you should consider using, irrespective of how you decide to customize this indicator. You can see this is a very wide indicator, right? Irrespective of how you decide to customize it, whether you want to use the default or whether you want to customize it, just ensure that you stick with trading in clear markets that have clear directions. All right. And always use stop losses. For example, if we are going by this default and we want to enter a trade based on the signal given by the indicator at the time, if we get our confirmation, price getting rejected around the resistance, short signal given, then enter a sell, set stop loss above the previous swing high, and then take profits can be at support zones, right? Key support zones. We can set a take profits at support zones, or we can wait for a long signal to be given and then we exit our short trade. All right. On the other hand, we enter a long trade. You can see price got rejected from this support. This was a good place to enter a buy after getting confirmation. Set stop loss below the previous swing low. Take profits can be at support, at resistance zones, or we can wait for when a short signal is given to exit our buy trade. Okay. Only enter trades when multiple indicators align. It's very important. The key to successful trading is not just finding signals, but knowing when to trust them. Okay? You have to know when to trust the signals. All right? So the DIY custom strategy builder is an effective indicator and a robust indicator that you might want to try out for traders looking to customize their strategy and improve decision making. So with this unique indicator, you can tailor signals to match your unique trading style. Okay. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment below, and let me know how you are using this indicator. Do not forget to subscribe for more advanced trading tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.